Alright, so I've got a question for you. Have you ever done any chiselling and then realised you need to do some delicate chiselling? So I see I've got this mallet, and usually you hit the chisel like that, but at times I might want to just gently tap it. So I'll cover this end up. Well, nearly dropped it. I thought about making what could essentially be called a hand mallet. To do that, I'm going to do it on a lathe, and I'm going to use some of this, which I've had for quite some time, which I believe is British white oak. So I'm just going to cut it, put it on the lathe, and start turning it. So let's get this done. Right, so you can notice a difference. I've changed from this to this. I've decided to try and do a prototype instead of going for the main thing straight away. I will get back to this one day when I'm a lot more confident on the lathe, but just for now, humour me while I turn this pine, which should be a lot easier to turn. So let's see what I can do with this. See if I can make it not the right size, but close. So there we go, the prototype. See, I've got the little curve there just to fit nicely into your palm. And as you've just seen from the footage, even though I was used it on maple and it's obviously not the best straight away to carve into, it does work. Yes, I've got a lot to improve, especially on this end bit, which actually hits the chisel. But as I say, I'm learning on the lathe. I am thinking about taking a lesson or two when I get round to it. But I hope you found this useful in some way and give you some ideas of what you might think. Would you use one yourself just to do some gentle chiseling? Let me know in the comments if you would use one. And if you want to see another video where I was unboxing the lathe and had my, let's just say, issues with it, then there's a link here. And until the next time, Gan Canny.